Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice Support video. In this video, we'll show you what comes in the box with the EL-SIE-1 Temperature Data Logger with LCD display. Advanced onboard software means there is nothing to install on your computer. Simply connect the logger with a USB cable and use your web browser to configure the device and view, analyze and download your data. The logging interval is user selectable with immediate, delayed, triggered or push to start logging. Alarms are fully user configurable with functionality including cumulative alarms, pre-alarms, a delay before alarm triggering, and an alarm hold option. The LCD screen shows current, maximum and minimum readings, and 3 coloured LEDs indicate device status at a glance. In the box are 2 AAA batteries, a Type A to Type C USB cable, a quick start guide with all the key information needed to get the EL-SIE-1 up and running, and the EL-SIE-1 Temperature Data Logger with a mounting bracket. Features of the device include 2 multifunction buttons. These are Next Clear and Min Max Mute, a large functional LCD screen, 3 status LED lights, a USB-C port, the base shows the battery polarity. To get started, we'll insert the batteries as pictured. To do this, you'll need the device, the 2 AAA batteries and a screwdriver. Loosen the screws and remove the end cap. Fit the batteries in the orientation shown on the label. Then replace the end cap and tighten the screws until secure. The device will turn on. To see a video of how to connect the EL-SIE-1 to your PC, see the video link in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.